Over and above can be used as adjectives, adverbs, and prepositions. But it's in the prepositions where the confusion lies. The biggest and most common difference is that over often implies movement, whereas above signals location, as in these examples.
You're terrified to fly over an ocean.
I know.
You said that Stephen climbed over a fence.
I just knocked over a glass.
Directly above us, making choking noises.
Over can also mean covering or on top of. The blanket is over the bed. The protective case is over the phone. We can't use above in these instances. And another rather big difference is in the corporate world when we talk about rank and control. If someone is above you, that means they have a higher position in the company or organization. If they're over you, it means they have influence or authority. They're your boss. But if she's over you, it might mean that the relationship's finished. What other differences do you observe between over and above? Tell me in the comments below.